In today's video, we're gonna see what happens if these water-absorbing beads get put into a deep fryer.
Guys, oil and water don't mix, you know that. But when you heat up the oil, you can actually get a pretty explosive reaction when you add water.
Oil heats up to a temperature far above that of water. Water will boil away, and oil at much higher temperatures will still be there frying and bubbling and boiling. When you add water into it, the water will vaporize, causing it to expand very, very quickly. And if it's underneath the oil at all, it can cause the oil to get launched through the air while still at boiling hot temperatures or even on fire. Well, Orbeez have a lot of water in them. They absorb many times their own weight in water, and so we wanted to see what happens if you put Orbeez into boiling hot oil.
To be safe, we're gonna start out with just 1 or 2 into the hot oil, see what happens, and as we scale it up, we are going to be moving away. That's why we're here at the Dome.
Now we're gonna take the Orbeez, both the tiny ones and the bigger ones, and we're gonna let them absorb a whole lot of water. And once they're expanded, we're gonna try putting them into some hot fry oil. We can try frying some that haven't absorbed water too.
Here's the basic idea. We are going to take some Orbeez and drop them into a deep fryer just to see what happens. After that, we're gonna overheat that oil, drop them in again, and see if there's anything different. For our first test, we are going to take some of our non-expanded Orbeez. We're gonna put them into a metal cup, put them into the oil, see what happens. I doubt it's gonna be very exciting, but I'm curious.
Not a whole lot as Orbeez go. We're just gonna see what happens. This is very hot oil. Maybe they're gonna pop like popcorn? Sounds like popcorn.
Oh, that's so cool. Wait, no way.
That one actually like popped like popcorn. One single Orbeez.
Okay, not that bad.
Initially, it hissed a bit, but didn't do too much else.
Yeah. I'm wondering as it
But
starts
now,
to,
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, the Orbeez itself is starting to heat up now.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
I think our Orbeez ruptured.
Yeah.
Still a lot of boiling and bubbling going on.
Okay, I'm not gonna get too close, but I wanna see, it moved. Okay, so
Yeah,
the whole thing's
it rolled into the
over
corner.
to the side.
Oh, and now we see oil starting to spurt out.
There we go. That's just one. So the last one did rupture, but it was a lot tinier. So what's this one gonna do?
That's a lot more water.
Okay. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but we still don't want to be close to that because if it does happen to explode and, you know, oil flies everywhere, that's gonna hurt. Oh, there we go.
I think it split.
There we go. That is cool.
Bubble, 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 bubble.
Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble.
There's still some of it left.
Oh no.
A lot of it left, in fact. Well, one little Orbeez was pretty fun and one big Orbeez was pretty fun. I think it's time to upgrade to a fry basket full of Orbeez. We've got a lot of little ones and a few of the big ones. And I'm excited.
This is gonna make a mess.
I think it will. Ready?
Careful. Oh my gosh. It is really mad about that. So it was initially mad because when we lowered it in, the Orbeez themselves had water on the outside. Now the oil itself is kind of cooled down, so they've calmed down. But as the oil heats back up, I think we're gonna get that. Some new explosions. Nice. You can kind of see that big pink one in the middle hasn't gone yet. I want to know what happens when it does. Yes.
That was about half a cup of oil that just left the machine. I fear for our camera.
I fear for our cameraman. He is getting very brave.
Here's the first big Orbeez that we fried.
Oh, that feels so weird.
It's like breaks apart very, very easily.
Deep fried, non-expanded Orbeez. It's like plastic, well, a form of plastic, sort of.
When we just did one, it fell apart so much that it wasn't even in the basket anymore, but it looks like we still have some results this time.
At least the larger ones. The smaller ones may be at the bottom.
True.
Let's find out. And also, still Orbeez, still full of water, still oil.
I don't think the big ones have even popped yet.
They have, okay, put them back in. I want to see that.
Might take some more time, but.
Well, we put a lot in there. We cooled that oil down significantly.
I think we fried our Orbeez pretty good.
I don't think they're going to do anything else, so I think it's time to scale it up.
The fryer has a limit to how hot it gets. And so to make sure we really get enough heat, we're going to take it up to a different level. We're going to try it on a propane stove. Hopefully that gets hot enough. If not, we might use the foundry. We've got a burner. This should get our oil pretty nice and hot. And then we've just got these rocks here. Those are just stability because this can by itself, I don't trust to hold everything up, but the rocks are holding it pretty nicely in place. We want that rip-roaring hot.
Ah, hot oil.
So at this point, the oil in the pot is, I believe, far higher temperature than you would ever fry any actual food. There's a lot of smoke coming off of it, and it's a vegetable oil blend, which has a pretty high smoke temperature.
We're gonna start with one tiny Orbeez first and see what happens. Not that one. Yes!
Oh, for a second I thought oil had splashed and it was starting to catch. What is dripping?
Oh, whoa! What is happening?
I wonder if there's a hole in this bucket.
We've realized that we have a slight problem. There's actually a hole in the bucket that we're using, and that's super dangerous with our propane tank directly underneath it. So we're going to switch to our foundry regardless. A little bit safer in regards to explosions. So our oil has started to light on fire, and it is gorgeous.
Really dancing around a lot. Now it doesn't have a lot of oxygen in there, which it does still need to burn properly, but you can see that it's starting to pick up more. As fire comes up out, it draws more oxygen down inside. Okay, that is well and truly on fire now.
Okay, I'm gonna try a handful.
Do it.
Ready? I think we both missed. Again.
We have more Orbeez.
More Orbeez. Oh, there we go.
I missed again.
Farther. That's amazing. Big one?
Guys, just remember, we do have fire extinguishers on hand.
Lots of them. And this is a very fireproof dome.
Like, it hasn't really caused them to pop like I thought.
No, but they are, okay, so when they are hitting it, just at the very top, we are getting these beautiful sparks. Try one more. Come on. Oh, well, okay.
That just splashed.
Oh, less of a splash.
It still splashed some fire out. I'm just interested, like, it doesn't seem to be like frying and popping them.
Oh, that shouldn't be so much fun. Oh, there you go. Woo!
Yikes.
I'm just gonna throw the biggest handful of tiny Orbeez. Usually Usually you're supposed to hit it.
Guys, you know we've always got more for you. To see that box at the top will take you to our last video. You should go check that out. The other box is going to show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. This bomb in the middle will subscribe you to the channel. Hit that, join the club, never miss out on a video. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.